Hi Dream Homers! Welcome to our new house tour here in Sumulong Highway, Antipolo, Rizal. As you can see, it's a resale property. Ang lot area niya is 400 square meter with the floor area of 250 square meter. So ito yung surroundings ng property. Makikita natin na almost end unit na siya. Itong vacant lot na ito sold na. So sa ngayon, hindi pa siya tinatayuan ng bahay. Okay, so ito yung kanyang harap ng bahay. It's a vacant lot also. Tapos, meron po siyang landscape garden. So, makikita nyo, magaganda din yung mga halaman na nakatanim. Yan. Okay, so, ito po, gated na rin siya and meron siyang 2 tandem parking, which is covered na rin po. And then, meron siyang covered lanay. Ayan, may mga plants and greeneries na rin kayong makikita. And of course, meron din siyang isang room doon na meron ding sariling toilet and bath. So tara, explore pa natin yung loob ng bahay. So ito yung pinaka-end dito sa parking area. And of course, yung nakikita natin dun sa pinakadulo is your service area na meron din namang maid's room with own toilet and bath. And this will be your main entrance, papasok sa loob ng bahay. And dito sa baba, nandito yung inyong dining area. Yan no, so makikita nyo, sinet up siya na meron siyang mirror. Okay? So, ayan. So, maaliwalas yung bahay, malamig din dito sa area na to. And this will be your kitchen area. Okay, so malaki naman yung space ng kitchen, no? Hindi siya bitin sa mga bagay, makakakilos ka ng maayos. Anyway, this property, kapag binili nyo po, it is as is where is unit na. So, akyat tayo sa second floor, which is meron sa taas na 2 bedrooms. And ito pong door na ito, this will be your powder room. Okay. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa second floor. So, makikita natin, malaki yung space na ito, no? You will consider it as living area or your family hall. Ayan, dito, sinet up siya na gym, tapos living area din. Okay, a lot of windows. So, maganda yung ventilation ng property. Okay, so tingnan muna natin yung first room. So this will be your first room. Pag open mo ng pinto, okay, meron siyang Jack and Jill, no, na rooms na dito ang ginawang setup nung dating nakatira. Dito meron siyang isang bed. Okay, and then meron na rin siyang sariling cabinet. And dito rin, kasyang-kasya dito yung single bed or bunk bed and may sariling cabinet na rin. And of course, meron silang common toilet and bath. Okay, so that's it for your first room. And this will be your master bedroom. Okay. So ito makikita nyo, sliding glass door siya. And then, malaki yung space ng master bedroom. Kasyang-kasya dito yung queen size of bed. And then, pasensya na po kayo, ang likot ng galaw ko sa cellphone ko. And of course, check natin yung master toilet and bath. Okay, yan. And ito, itong door na to will be access going to the backyard ng inyong master bedroom, which is may mga greeneries kayo and plants. Pero sa ngayon, di kasi siya ma-open. So, check na lang natin dito using the glass window. Okay, so may window type of aircon siya na ginamit, no? So, that's it for your master bedrooms. And check natin tong stairs na na ito, which is, pwede nyo siyang gawing storage area. Ayan. Okay. So that's it, Dream Homers. If you're available to view this property, please don't hesitate to call me on my contact number. It's flashed on the description box. And we're very happy to assist you finding your dream homes. Bye, and God bless you all.